Welcome. If you want to enter one-handed mode in your HUAWEI Mate 40 Pro 5G, at the first you have to go for the settings, next tap on the search pool and type 1. Let's click on the one-handed mode and we got two methods how to enter. If we are using the gestures, we have to swipe up from either of the bottom corners, and when we are using free case navigation, we have to slide from the left or the right side from the home button. So let's try to swipe, and here it is, it's working. Right now we are able to work on the device with our one hand. We can reach a very part of the screen very easily. And of course, when you want to turn off this mode, you have to click on the dark arena outside. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.